Good morning. We're Tuesday, May the 13th. Glad you're here. So, quite a day yesterday, really big recovery day, and it was all because of tariffs. Showing you a little bit different chart today. We've got the S&P 500 up instead of the futures on it. I've got up a 1-year chart. Notice that you see gaps. That's because we're only getting reports, or this is only tracked when the market's actually open. So whereas with the futures, you'd have a consistent trail because they're pretty well trading around the clock. With the SPX, that's why you have, for example, a gap up yesterday. Now, if we look at the high, you can see we're up here to about 61.47. Happened earlier in the year. Now, the tariffs come out, down we come. And within the past week, a very prominent investment bank, I'm not going to name the name because I don't want to be calling anybody out, but a very prominent bank had been warning that we were going to see another 20% drop. Well, that same bank, less than a week later, is now revising their estimates to be back to 6,100 by the end of the year. Now, I reference that again. I'm not trying to take a shot at this very prominent bank. What I'm trying to do is, one, point out how uncertainty in the market can make it so difficult to predict what other people are going to do. And in the end, that's what moves the market. More buyers or more sellers. That is where the rubber meets the road. And predicting what other people are going to do in the future is a very hard thing to do. I think that their forecast of some 6,100 is way low. As we continue to see some improvement on tariffs, hopefully, I'm praying, some resolution in the Ukraine-Russia situation. I'd like to see people stop dying over there. I'd like to see destruction of property stop as well. So hopefully that will happen. But even if it does not, if we completely get this tariff situation resolved, yes, we will have some inflationary pressures for a period of time, for a season, while more jobs come back to the US. Then we're going to be poised to explode. How fast is it going to happen? Really hard to say. But I personally think we will be above this high by the end of the year. Now, what could make me change my mind? Tariffs, or some other news that we don't even see at this point. All right, good luck out there. Have a great day.